Very good. Good job, Ezekiel. Learn na sila para sila na manabak. Magkalingaw ka ni Ron.
Get a little closer, a little lower, like almost against the ground. Hold the trigger good. The further you hold the trigger down, the better it does, the faster it goes. And there's this button here, that'll make it go faster. So that's more a stick. So get the grass here.
Okay.
And you can go down, so press it about to the ground. You hit this metal. Just walk with it. Your bowl is just along the fence, not the whole thing. Just along the fence. It's okay.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.